Hey guys, in case you have watched the Minecraft movie already, maybe you weren't that happy with it. Well, actually, on this YouTube channel, Minecraft Hire Me, there will be the best movie you have ever seen. Don't miss out on it. It will be tomorrow, 6 p.m. European Central Time, and it will be really fire. Show him some support. His goal is to get hired by Minecraft. He already showed how he made the video, and tomorrow it will be published. So it already exists in German, and it's actually real fire. So if you want to see the German movie, if you're a German speaker, comment below. I'll let you know. Anyways, bye guys.